The ketogenic diet has been rising in popularity, and for good reason. It is simple and significant results. Whether you want to lose fat, increase energy, enhance brain health, improve your blood sugar levels, or improve your overall health, keto may be the diet you are looking for. So, you are ready to adapt to a ketogenic diet to lose weight and improve your health. You have come to the right place. Making any big lifestyle or diet changes can be challenging. What is the best way to get started with a ketogenic diet? Here we will outline 3 steps to keto success. But first, let's define what a keto diet is. Simply put, it is a high-fat to moderate protein diet by drastically restricting carbohydrates in your diet. The body will enter and sustain. Ketosis is a metabolic state where the body burns a high-efficient alternative fuel called ketones. Not only does the keto diet help with weight loss, but current research also indicates that it can help to improve health conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease to start your keto journey. This will help you eat fewer calories than before and help jumpstart. You will need to focus on meat, high-fat dairy, and healthy oils, leafy green and above-ground vegetables, nuts and seeds, avocado, berries, and keto-approved sweeteners. You will need to entirely avoid grain, sugar food, and starched vegetables. You might be surprised how many things like bread, pasta, cookies, and ice cream you can still enjoy if you just learn how to make them keto-friendly. It's not just eating the right foods, though this is the foundation of the diet. You must also learn how much to eat, which brings us to our second point. A keto diet can help you to restrict your calorie intake in a slow and steady way, which leads to long-term weight loss, but it can be hard to do this if you are not carefully tracking what you eat. One way to figure out how much you should be eating on a keto diet is to check on your progress every few weeks and adjust accordingly if you are not seeing the results you want. You can also use the keto calculator, which we find to be a more precise method. To buy this product, go to my description box and click the link and order now. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.